This is not another gentle talk about side hustles or finding your passion. This is a direct and urgent warning. Today is December 24, 2025. You have less than 2 years to completely change your life. If you harbor the deep, persistent desire to quit your 9-to-5 job, to escape the tyranny of the scheduled meeting, to escape the endless inbox, your window to act is now. The year 2026 is not a far-off dream. It is a deadline. 2 years is a powerful amount of time. It is enough time to systematically build an income stream that not only matches but exceeds your current salary. This is not about wishful thinking. This is about using a powerful new lever: artificial intelligence. The dream is simple. Stop trading your finite, precious hours for a paycheck. Reclaim your days to be with family, to travel without permission, to pursue curiosities, to savor an unscheduled morning. This dream is whispered at work and over late-night drinks, still missing a clear path. This is that path. A simple 3-phase plan with a playbook you can start today. The urgency cannot be overstated. For generations, our parents and their parents were sold a simple, stable promise. Work 40 years, contribute to a pension and a 401k, then retire in your mid-60s. Trust the system, hope the market behaves, enjoy your golden years. That model is fundamentally broken. It asks you to sacrifice your best years for a fragile promise of security. Its flaw is fragility. It relies on factors outside your control. What if the market crashes before retirement, or your industry is disrupted and your job eliminated? Artificial intelligence is the greatest disruptor of our time. Not a distant threat, a present reality automating professional work. Waiting is not a strategy. The only winning move is to embrace it. Direct AI to build income streams independent of your daily time and effort. Replace your salary far sooner. Freedom not in 40 years, but in as little as 2. Shift your goal from amassing a distant nest egg to building automated cash flow systems now. Quitting your job is not a single leap of faith. It is a calculated 3-stage process. Each phase builds on the last, creating a stable, scalable path to freedom. Manage risk while building momentum, so your resignation lands on a bed of automation. The phases are income replacement, income growth, total automation. Phase 1 is income replacement. Your obsessive goal, a stream that covers essential monthly expenses. Phase 2, income growth, scale to match and surpass your salary. Phase 3, total automation, build truly hands-off systems. AI is your leverage, your unfair advantage, your silent partner working 24/7. The goal is not just to leave a job, it is to design a life. This requires focus, discipline, and learning a few new systems. Not coding genius, just a clear process, small starts, and momentum. Income replacement is the most critical phase. Build enough monthly recurring revenue to cover essential living expenses. Focus on your freedom number: housing, food, basic bills. For many, that is $3,000 to $5,000 per month. Build a small, reliable lifeboat, not a luxury yacht. Pick one simple, high-leverage offer. Do not build 10. Choose one thing you can create and deliver automatically. Short course, digital templates, paid newsletter, consulting packaged as a product. Use AI as your creation and launch partner. Outline, script, visuals, sales page, and email sequence. Have AI generate social post ideas. Go from idea to live product in weeks, not months. Example, create a short course on productivity for remote workers. Use AI to write 5 lesson scripts and generate clean slides. Post on Gumroad or Teachable. Use an AI copywriter for a compelling sales page and a 5-part launch email. Price at $97. 40 sales per month gets you near $4,000. This is a clear, achievable objective, the bedrock of your escape plan. Your proof of concept unlocks Phase 2 with confidence. Phase 2, income growth, scaling your freedom machine. With basics covered, the pressure is off. Now scale to match or surpass your salary. If your job pays $10,000 per month, that becomes your target. Layer new systems and optimize existing ones. Intelligent expansion, not harder work. Add offers, advanced course, high-ticket coaching, and a community membership. Use AI to test dozens of sales copy variations. ad headlines, and email subject lines. AI analyzes customers for new audiences and ideas, smarter decisions, faster. Build automated content funnels. From one core idea, use AI to spin out a blog post, short video script, tweet thread, LinkedIn article, a newsletter, and quote graphics. Automate distribution with simple tools like Zapier. Run low-cost evergreen ads and a 30-day email sequence that nurtures and presents your core offer. Measure everything. Double down on winners. Cut the rest. Phase 3, total automation, achieving true independence. Your automated streams are stable and surpass your old salary. Remove yourself from 99% of daily operations. Transform your work into digital assets you own. Deploy autonomous AI agents, digital employees working 24/7. AI handles support, answers questions, processes refunds, escalates only the complex. AI-driven storefronts optimize listings, adjust pricing, and manage digital inventory. AI runs ads, tests creatives, reallocates budget automatically. Add strategic outsourcing, skilled VAs for calendars, escalations, and creative oversight. You are the captain. Review charts weekly, make minor course corrections. Income disconnected from time, whether sleeping, traveling, or building a passion project. Spend 1 or 2 hours a week reviewing metrics and communicating. The business runs itself. The new rich, time and money. You do not need to be a developer. You need the right tools and combinations. Treat them as easy-to-use levers, not complicated tech. Phase 1. Prioritize speed and low cost. AI writing assistant, image generator, simple storefront. Use ChatGPT or Claude for writing, Midjourney for visuals, sell on Gumroad or Kajabi. They handle payments and delivery. Add a lightweight chatbot like Tidio to answer FAQs automatically. Phase 2. Jasper, Copy.ai for content, ConvertKit or ActiveCampaign for automated email. Use Zapier to stitch workflows, e.g., add new Gumroad buyers directly into your email list. Phase 3. AI-powered support via Intercom or Zendesk, AI-managed ads across Facebook and Google, Shopify apps personalize and optimize, build a self-running ecosystem where components communicate and optimize, minimizing your involvement. If you live in a high-cost city, New York, San Francisco, London, this plan is a necessity. Every commuting hour and pointless meeting costs you dearly. High expenses create golden handcuffs. AI is your freedom clause. Automated, location-independent income breaks the link between earnings and rent. Stay in the city you love, on your terms. Owning your time here is the ultimate luxury. Once stable, choose. Keep the nice apartment, move to a lower-cost haven, or go nomad. The point is not which option you pick, but that you have the choice. This AI playbook forges those options. Talk is cheap. Action is everything. The next 90 days are your launch window. Forget 2 years. Focus on this sprint. Small, consistent actions compound. Weeks 1 and 2. Pick one simple product. Define your customer. Set a 90-day income goal. Example, make your first $1,000. Weeks 3 to 6. Build the MVP powered by AI. Outline, create, upload, product live by week 6. Weeks 7 to 12. Announce. Drive traffic with posts and shorts. Consider $5 to $10 a day in ads. Track sales, gather feedback, iterate copy with AI. Prove the system. Months 4 to 6. Transition to phase 2. Build automations, reinvest profits, increase ad spend, upgrade tools. We end the playbook, but your journey begins. The clock is real and ticking. If you desire freedom, owning your time, you cannot afford to wait. This is not magic. It requires work, focus, and consistency. Build your first product, make your first sale, earn your first automated dollar, then build momentum. The choice is yours. Begin.